In this video, we're going to learn about how to create and edit district teacher websites. So our district teacher websites are provided at each building to the community to learn a little bit more about our teachers. To access those, you'll click on Schools and click on the school that you teach at. From there, on the top menu bar, you'll see Teacher Pages. On the right, you'll see a list of all the teachers in that building, and this is where your teacher website will be stored, and you can view it live once we make changes. To access the editing portion of the teacher websites, we'll click on the Staff link and then Website Editor. Using the credentials that have been or will be provided to you, log in. Once logged in, you'll want to select the building that you're at. From there, select Content Pages. Scroll down and find your name. You'll notice that when you first get to the dashboard to edit your website, there are a lot of options. To simplify that, there are two windows, Window 1 and Window 2. We're going to leave the content in Window 2 blank. We're only going to be editing in Window 1. There are basically two different components that you're going to want to have to create your website. First, you'll want a photo gallery. Second, you'll want a text window. And to add those, if they're not presently available, you click Add Component, and then you'll select the type of component you want to add. Once you select that, you click Add Component. And you'll see now that I have a new photo gallery available. I'm going to go ahead and delete that because I already had mine ready. Now, from here, we'll start with the photo gallery. You can give it a name. I put teacher photo for mine and click the blue Save Disk once you have the name typed in. Then click Edit. From here, you can browse your photos and select the photo you want and click Open. Once you've done that, click Upload, and you'll notice that your picture will appear down below. What we would ask that you use is a professional headshot. Your school photos will be available after the beginning of the year. If you're a new teacher, you'll have to wait for the school photo until the fall pictures have been taken and are returned to us here at the district. Now, it'll make you give an alternative text, so I just typed my name, and then when you're done, you can click Update Info. When you do that, you can go back to the teacher pages and you can view your teacher site to see if it updated correctly. And here's my photo. Now, there are actually 5 components that we ask that you include on your teacher site. One is the photo. The next will be your name, followed by what you teach, then your email, and then your team's phone number here at Western Dubuque Schools. Now going back to editing, once you've got your picture uploaded and you've checked that it looks like it came through correctly, scroll up and click on Edit and then Your Name. Now we'll go and we'll add some different specific text to the text window. I called it Name and Title Page. You can name it what you're comfortable with and click the Save button and then choose Edit. So the 4 things that we're going to add in here are your name, and again there is some options at the top if I highlight this that I can make it bold, or I can put it in italics, underline, and then there's more options available here. I just made my font a little larger and bold. Now the next thing that you'll want is what you teach. My position as technology teacher leader, if you teach first grade, you would just put first grade teacher. And remember that these are going to be under the building you're in, so it's not necessary to put the building you're in again down here. Then you'll want your email, and this would be your district provided email, and your phone number, which would be your team's phone number. If you are looking for where I find my team's phone number, I'm going to show you that now. You can open Teams and select calls. Underneath, you'll see your work number provided right here. So that's where you find that. Next, when you have all of that done, at the bottom, choose Save. Now go back to your website and refresh it. And what you will hopefully see is your information appear below. Once you've got those 5 components, your website is up and ready to go. We would ask that if you were to change buildings or change subjects that you teach or grade levels, that you come and update your information so that it's accurate for the community and for other teachers to find how to get a hold of you.